Hi, this is Mr. Huber, and I would like to give you a quick introduction to the laws of logarithms. So before you read through these pages, I just wanted to give you some insights because it's very easy to understand. It's just rules you have to follow. Okay? Well, here, this is, for example, the first rule. The logarithm of a product is the sum of the logarithms. On this page 45, you see some more rules. The logarithm of a quotient is the difference of the logarithms. Here, another peculiar law. The logarithm of 1 over x is in fact minus the logarithm of x. And here, the logarithm of x to the p is p times the logarithm of x. But you'll see it will be very easy later on. So I've written it up on another sheet of paper because I like this notation more with the brackets, so you can clearly see that it's the logarithm of a product. So I've written up the 4 rules once again. And in order to show you that it is not that far-fetched, I would like to talk about this one with an example. Let's start with x is 2 to the 3 and y is 2 to the 5. It's just a choice. So if this rule is true, then this should hold too, because the logarithm of the product is the sum of the logarithms. So let's check if that's true. Well, the left-hand side is in fact the product of 2 to the 3 times 2 to the 5, which by the laws of indices leads to 2 to the 3 plus 5. Well, the logarithm to the base of 2 to the 3 plus 5, which is 2 to the 8, is obviously 8, or just 3 plus 5. When you separate your logarithms, you see it's the logarithm to the base of 2 to the 3, which is 3, and the logarithm to the base of 2 to the 5, which is obviously 5. To which number do you have to raise 2 in order to get 5? To which number do you have to raise 3 in order to get 2 to the 3? It's obviously 3. So you can see the laws of logarithms are very closely linked to the laws of indices. And there is one other thing I would like to highlight, because normally you would probably have thought that the logarithm of the product is the product of the logarithms. This would have been very natural, but it's completely untrue. In this case, look, the logarithm to the base of 2 to the 3 times 2 to the 5 is, as we've seen, 8. And the logarithm to the base of 2 to the 3 times the logarithm of 2 to the 5 to the base of 2 is 3 times 5, and that would be 15. So this is not right. So you can't do this. Please, the logarithm of a product is not the product of the logarithms. The logarithm of a product is the sum of the logarithms. I know these are peculiar rules, and we're going to talk about them. We're going to derive them. We're going to show where these rules come from. For the moment, before you read through these pages, just keep this in mind. These are some rules very closely linked to the rules or to the laws of indices, and it's just something you have to stick to, and everything will be fine. See you in the next one.